Welcome to the digital imagery course. In this video, I'm just going to walk through basically how my web page works for you with respect to how you'll get your material and so on for the course. Let me just briefly explain the layout here. Of course, when you go to the home page on my website, djolessons.com, you will click on digital imagery for this course. And let me just explain this a little bit at the top here. It's how you hand your files in. I just want you to hand in your raw Photoshop file, your .psd formatted file, to Blackboard. I don't even want you to compress it. I actually prefer if you don't. Just hand in your PSD files to Blackboard. So I do have separate assignments set up in my course on Blackboard, and just find the appropriate assignment and hand it in there. Don't zip it up, as I said, just keep it uncompressed. Okay, now each class is divided by these little dividers. And you can see they're also named Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, etc. Basically what I've got for you here are full-on video presentations and step-by-step tutorials. So these green links are links to YouTube, and I have again the full lesson available on YouTube. You can also see the percentage for each assignment next to it. And the way I've got it set up is if you do all your in-class assignments, it will add up to 60%, which is a pass. You need 50 to pass. And let me just scroll down here past all of these classes. And in week 10, I'm going to give you the midterm test. It's worth 20%. And then in the final 3 weeks, we have one more assignment after the midterm, week 11, and in week 12, you will be starting on your final assignment. And I will be giving you 3 work periods, 3 classes or 3 weeks to work on that and to hand it in. Okay, I'll quickly click on the criteria, but I don't want to really explain it in any detail right now, except that you do have a video presentation as well for what's expected for the final assignment, and then the screenshots to help you, and it's actually listing all of the steps that need to be completed for the assignment. An example image. Basically, this is an old picture of me, but you will be putting a picture of yourself or your dog or whatever. Ideally a picture of yourself, but I won't force you to it. And here is the layer structure that you will be working by as well. So you'll be emulating that layer structure as well. And then once again, you will hand that in. You'll name it last name, underscore first name, .psd, and hand that into Blackboard under the appropriate category for the final assignment. Okay. Now, anytime you may have questions for me with respect to the course, contact me through email. Here's my email link up here. That's my email address. And I will be pretty quick to respond, so honestly, feel free to contact me if you have any questions at all here. I did provide a link here. It's just going to the My Loyalist portal, but it's just to let you know that that's where all your marks will be. They'll all be on Blackboard. And I do stay up to date on my marking, so once you've handed something in by the following class, your marks will be updated to show your current status in the course. And I would suggest you go to Blackboard often and to the course and see what your mark is, number 1, and 2, what assignments have actually been marked. And if there are any outstanding, then you'll know which ones are missing and you can hand them in. Okay, just very quickly under that, we've got our Facebook Loyalist Animation group. I highly recommend you go and join it. It's curated by some alumni, and there's a lot of participation in it from a number of our graduates as well as our senior students. And they're very generous, if you will, and friendly. I do highly suggest you join the group. You will network well within that group. There are a lot of successful, good people in there that will help you with questions. Job opportunities show up in there as well. And it's just a nice, tight little community. So I do recommend that for you, but I think everything you're going to need is right here. I have had a lot of students really thank me for posting all this stuff because it's not new to me. I've been doing this like this for many years. And again, it's very comprehensive. It's all there in video format. It's as if you're in the classroom listening to me teach, except you have the ability to play it back many times. And all your assets are provided as well. So again, if you do have any questions at all, please contact me. I will get back to you fairly quickly and we'll resolve whatever it is you may need a solution for. In the meantime, you do have everything you need here. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.